What's up, off-road warriors? Today, we're looking at something truly special, a machine that blurs the line between a consumer vehicle and a full-blown race car. This is the 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R Factory. And when I say factory, I'm not just talking about a sticker package. This is a purpose-built, race-ready side-by-side that you can literally buy from a showroom floor and take straight to a professional race course. Is this the ultimate turnkey race machine? Let's break it down. So, what makes this different from the already incredible RZR Pro R Ultimate? This isn't just about bells and whistles. The RZR Pro R Factory is built on a race-spec one-piece, high-strength steel chassis. It's got a desert racing design with lightweight carbon fiber body panels to optimize the power-to-weight ratio. The bodywork, the bumpers, the whole setup is designed for the brutal demands of desert racing. It's a completely different animal. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, is the heart of this beast, a race-tuned ProStar Fury 2.0 HO engine, putting out a staggering 255 horsepower. This isn't a street engine, it's a naturally aspirated screamer designed for pure performance. It's paired with a race-spec transmission with forged steel internals and race-bred gear ratios, ensuring every bit of that power gets to the ground instantly. You're looking at a machine built to lead the pack from the first flag. The suspension is where this machine truly separates itself. The RZR Pro R Factory comes equipped with race-tuned Fox 3.0 Live Valve X2 internal bypass shocks and the RZR Racing Dynamics DV 3.0 semi-active suspension system. This system isn't just for comfort, it's for control. It automatically adjusts compression and rebound in real time, with selectable race-tuned modes like Baja 1, 2, 3, and 4. This allows you to command the most demanding courses, effortlessly tracking over whoops and gnarly terrain. And when it's time to stop, you're not going to be using standard brakes. This machine features a high-performance Alcon braking system with massive, floating rotors and race-bred calipers. There's even a dual Tilton master cylinder with an in-cab brake bias adjuster, so you can fine-tune your stopping power on the fly, just like a pro driver. Step inside, and it's all business. This isn't about heated seats and a sound system. This is a race cockpit. You've got carbon Kevlar Sparco race seats, a Sparco 6-point harness, and an S-FI certified window net. Your instrumentation is a MOTO-CAR C127 race display, which gives you real-time data and a customizable interface. You even have a MOTO-CAR keypad, military-spec wiring, and a Lifeline Fire 0360 FIA fire suppression system. This is a safety and tech package straight out of the highest levels of off-road motorsport. Every detail is optimized for racing. The rear cargo area is designed for quick access to tools and a spare tire. The massive 130-liter fuel cell with a dry brake system allows for extended range and lightning-fast pit stops. This isn't just a weekend warrior, it's a machine designed to win endurance races. So, who is this for? This isn't for the casual trail rider. The RZR Pro R Factory is for the serious competitor, the team that wants a turnkey solution to go racing in series like Score, Best in the Desert, and the Unlimited Series. It's a vehicle with a starting MSRP of around $139,999 and Polaris is only building a very limited number of them for 2025. This exclusivity and its proven race pedigree make it a true unicorn in the off-road world. The RZR Pro R Factory is more than just a side-by-side, it's a testament to Polaris's commitment to racing and a direct line from the factory to the podium. It proves that you can now buy a championship-proven machine ready to compete at the highest level. What do you think of this race-ready beast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more off-road content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching.